Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will know how to contact CoinUp support. Here's how. First, open the CoinUp app or visit the official CoinUp website. Go to the Help Center or Support section where you can submit a support ticket or chat with customer service if live chat is available. When contacting support, clearly explain your issue and include helpful details such as your account email, transaction ID, or screenshots. Avoid sharing sensitive information like your password or two-factor authentication codes. If your issue isn't resolved right away, keep an eye on your email for updates from the support team and reply if they request additional information. That's it. Using CoinUp's official support channels is the safest way to get help with your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.